my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel. So if you're new to my channel, just give me a like, subscribe, and click the notification button for more video. And for today's video, we're going to react to Katrina Halili and Chris Lawrence singing I Swear at also the other one, yung Bleeding Love, sa live nila. So without further ado, let's watch this.
I see the questions in your eyes.
Sa live to guys ha.
I know what's weighing on your mind. You can be sure
Walang pakumpik-kumpik.
my heart. 'Cause I
Grabe no?
beside you through the years.
Sino hindi bibili ng ganito?
Those happy tears. And though I make mistakes, I'll never break your heart.
Di ba? Galing ni Chris Lawrence. So, pag ganito ba naman yung nagbebenta sa online, sinong hindi bibili, di ba? Kasi ang ganda-ganda pa ni Katrina Halili. So, ang dami nilang binibili, guys. Eclipse Nova. Binibenta pala, sorry. So, let's go.
And I swear,
I swear.
by the moon and the stars in the sky,
Ang ganda ng buhok ni Chris Lawrence dito, guys. Tingin Katrina.
I swear, like a shadow
Ay, tumingin
that's
ka.
by your side. I'm breathing.
Galing sa puso.
For better or worse, till death do us part. I love you, every beat of my heart. I swear.
Grabe guys, no? Ang galing-galing niya. So, paano pag kayong kinantahan ni Chris Lawrence ng ganito, guys? Actually, nag-react na ako sa video nila na kumakanta rin si Chris kay Katrina with the same song, I Swear. So, watch you sa video na nireact na. Grabe.
I'll give you everything. I'll build your dreams with these duets.
Favorite to ni Katrina, di ba?
Make some memories.
Grabe kahit na naka-live siya. Ang ganda pa rin ng boses ni Chris. May sarili talaga siyang trademark pagdating sa pagkanta.
Just the two of us. You won't have to
Tingin naman, Katrina.
still care. 'Cause as the time turns the page, my love won't age it all.
Sorry na guys, hindi ko kinakaya yung ano. Ang ganda ng boses ni Chris. Talagang pati yung mga runs niya. Pak na pak, saktong-sakto. Tapos si Katrina, parang yung nangyayari, yung parang nililigawan ka ng ano, ng manliligaw mo, hinaharana ka. Parang ganun. Harana session. Amazing.
I swear by the moon and the stars.
Ayun, tumingin. Oh my God.
And I swear.
Doon ako nalala kapag titinginan, guys. Ang nakakaiyak mo. Parang naiiyak ako pag ganito yung mga kanta tapos sila yung kumakanta. Kasi alam natin yung pinagdaanan nila. Ito na naman ako.
I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky.
Oh no, Chris.
I'll be there, and I swear, like a shadow that's by your side.
Grabe.
I'll be there, for better or worse, till death do us part. I love you, every beat of my heart. I swear.
Grabe. Grabe naman yung runs ni Chris doon. Ulitin lang natin yung part na yun, guys. Huwag na kayo magalit. Nakakaloka. Sandali, Chris. Wait lang. Grabe naman yun.
I swear.
Pinaulanan lang naman tayo ng runs ni Chris Lawrence. Grabe. Grabe yung vibrato niya doon At syempre hindi natin tatapusin ito guys. Meron pa silang isang video na kumakanta pa si Chris Lawrence for Katrina. Tapos yung kinanta niya naman is yung Bleeding Love, which is ginawan ko na rin na reaction video yung BTS ni Katrina. But here, sa live niya kinanta. Let's go!
Closed off from the love I didn't need to pay. Once or twice was enough, and it was
Do it yata to
fake.
guys.
Time to start to pass before you know you're frozen.
Go Chris!
Oh,
Oh my God!
Something happened for the very first time with you. My arm was until the ground.
Let's go, check out
Sumisigaw sila doon.
And everyone's looking round, thinking I'm going crazy.
Ganda ng boses ni Katrina, di ba guys?
But I don't care what they say.
Oh.
I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know.
Grabe yung kilig nila no, pag silang dalawa. Grabe.
You cut me open and I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding.
May dancer pa.
Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding.
Pogi ni Chris dito, oh. Grabe.
You cut me open.
Pag ganito yung kumakanta at nagbebenta, guys, ano pa, bilhin na. Grabe, ang galing. Ganda ng boss ni Katrina in fairness.
Trying hard not to hear what they talk so loud. This is love in my
Na-addict na ako, guys, kakapanood sa kanila.
And I know that the goal is to keep me from falling.
Oh, ayan na naman.
It's better than the rush that comes with your embrace. And in this world, with everyone thinking I'm going crazy.
Oh, in fairness, ang galing nung, ano, yung mga nasa background, nagbe-blending, ah. Galing. Go.
I don't care what they say. I'm in love with you.
Nakikita ko yung BTS ni Katrina dito.
But they don't know the truth. My heart is crippled by the pain that I keep on losing.
Go, Katrina. Show them what you got.
Me open and down.
I keep bleeding, I keep
bleeding in love.
I keep bleeding.
Let's go. Check out
Parang grabe.
I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
Ang ganda ng boss ni
You
Katrina.
got me open and down.
Recently,
And it's draining all of me.
grabe si
Though they
Chris.
find it hard to believe, I'll be wearing this scars for everyone to see. I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They try to
Ay,
pull
naku, ayoko na
me
i-post.
away. They don't know
Kasi ang galing-galing nila.
my heart is crippled by the pain that I keep on closing.
Check out now.
Guys, bumili na kayo. My God, nakakaloka yung performance nila. Parang ayoko na siya i-post. Kung kailangan natin i-post kasi for the reaction. Kailangan kasi natin yun, guys, for reaction. Tam purposes yung ginagawa natin. But grabe, kahit reaction video lang to, na-amaze talaga ako sa kanilang dalawa. Ang ganda rin ng boses kasi ni Katrina. At syempre, ang hirap mag-react kapag kilig na kilig katulad ko. Kayo rin naman, di ba guys? So comment nyo nga kung kinikilig din kayo. Grabe.
Keep bleeding in love. Keep bleeding in love.
Papasabi ka na lang na sana all, guys.
You got me open and down. Keep bleeding.
Nagsisigawan yung sa likod. Narinig niyo ba?
Keep bleeding in love. I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love.
Oh my si Chris.
And trace minerals.
Grabe yung
I
runs
started
niya,
posting
guys.
YouTube
Amazing talaga yung boses ni Chris Lawrence. Talagang pang ano din, pang laban. Ay, wala na. Grabe yung grabe na yung kilig ko, guys, kanina pa. Pasensya na kayo. So anyway, hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. Papanoorin ko to ulit, guys. So sa mga nanonood ng video ko palagi, maraming salamat. And kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel kung di ka pa nakasubscribe. Again, my name is Raven. Bye-bye!
Still from love, I didn't need to pay.